Okay, today we'll be testing out this AdoreTrip jump starter slash tire inflator. And I want to thank the folks at AdoreTrip for sending me this jump starter. Today we'll be testing out both features. We'll test it out on a dead battery and see if it starts my truck. And we'll also see how well it inflates a flat tire. So let's get started.
I'm using Fram right here. I got some of this
5W30.
Oh, it's
Mine's
like
45.
good for storage.
That's air floor cleaner.
Out of the bottom.
Okay, the unit comes in a box like this. Here's the unit itself. And it also comes with a carrying bag. Nice bag, actually. Yeah, this is a nice bag. And see all the goodies in here. Yep, that's all of them. It's actually got another zipper here. Put other stuff into it. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, and these are some little attachments you can put onto your air hose. Here's the air hose, the clamps, jumper clamps, and this can plug into your cigarette lighter, and you can charge the unit this way, or you can charge it with this in your wall outlet. Okay, so let's see some of the features we got on here. Turn on right here. Okay, it came to me at 75%, so I'm gonna charge it up some. You got a couple USB ports. This is your free wall charger. Pretty simple. And it's got some lights here. You know, I think everybody's seen these before, but you push it twice, or you keep it down actually. There it goes. And then you can hit it, and it's got like 3 functions. Okay. And the compressor should go on like here. Now what you do is I got a preset here for 31. So I got it at 31 pounds. And when you turn this on, it'll stop once it gets up to 31 pounds. Once your tire gets up to 31 pounds of pressure. So this hose goes into it right here, and it screws on. It screws on right there. So it's actually, I'm not gonna pull it out right now, but actually maybe I will. Okay, I'll pull it out. There, since I got it out. See, that just screws on there. And then you can inflate your tire. Jumper cables. If you don't have fingernails, it's kind of hard to do, but there you go. And this only fits one way. You can see there's a round and there's a flat spot here. So this flat spot's got to go in just like that. And that's it. Alright, let's go test this out. We'll go out in the garage. We'll test it out on a flat tire. We'll test it out on a dead battery. So, be right back. Forgot to mention, it comes with instructions. And here's all the stuff that you get with it. You can freeze it here and look at all this stuff. So let's go in the garage and try this unit out. Be right back. Okay, we're going to give this thing a real good test because I'm not even going to hook it up to a battery. Let's see how good this works. So we'll hook these up first. This goes to the positive. This goes to the negative. And this goes to the jump starter. Which, let's see, put the power on. Right here. And this plugs in just like this. There. That's all that's set. Alright, let's try it out. Folks, that worked. It started up 2 times, no problem. So you got 100% still. Yeah, it started up no problem. It's not even hooked up to a battery. Look at that. So I don't care how dead your battery is. This jump starter is going to work. I give it a thumbs up already. Let's test it out on a tire now. And I'm not even going to charge it up. I'm just going to take it right from here and try pumping up a tire. Let me get the camera all situated and everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here I got the pump set for 31 PSI. Let's try it out. And it should stop when it hits 31 PSI. Okay, there it is. £31. I'll have to check later to see how long it took. But yeah, it did a good job. It jump started the vehicle plus pumped up the tire. I give this tool 2 thumbs up. And I'm actually very surprised on this test. I'm surprised it started up the vehicle. I just figured I'd try it out because I'd never seen actually anybody on YouTube try doing that before. If you're interested in getting this jump starter tire inflator, I'll post a link down below to where you can buy this jump starter. The link has a $30 coupon. Plus you can use a 10% discount code that you can use at the same time. The code number is 10K8KB9Z. And the 10% discount code is good from now till August 14th. So with that being said, I think I'll wrap this video up. And as always, if you liked the video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.